this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's this lovely little watercolour scene. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is one of our little note cards. So these are pre-done note cards that you can buy with the matching envelopes. And then I've got a piece here of Night of Navy, and this measures 5 inches by 3.5 inches, which is the same size as the note card. And then I've got a big piece here of shimmery white cardstock because we're going to do some watercolouring. The stamp set we're going to use is this one called French Countryside, which I think is adorable. I love it. I'm going to use this one here and then the little sheep as well. So I've got things set up in my stamp apparatus, and we're going to stamp here with our archival inks. You'll use Stays On. That's the one I sell, is Stays On, but as you people will know who's watched my videos, I can't stand the smell of Stays On. It makes me feel sick, so I won't use it. So I'm using another permanent ink, archival ink. Okay, and I'm just going to stamp it twice to make sure I have a nice good impression, and that's why I love the stamp apparatus, because it allows you to re-stamp something in the same position and get a really nice impression. So I'm just going to give it a good press down. Yeah, I'm happy with that, so take that out. And I'm just going to give my stamp a little clean with the simple chamois. There we go. And put that away. Close up our stamp apparatus and put that aside. Bring back our little image. Now I've got the image here of the sheep on my little block, and I'm just going to stamp this right here at the front. I didn't do it, you know, on the other one because with the, there we go, with the stamp apparatus, because I wanted them to be so close to each other. Okay. So there we go. So now I'm going to use our watercolour pencils, and I'm going to use both sets. And I've got my aqua painter, my spritzer. I'm just going to take away my grid paper, so that if some water goes on, it'll just go straight into my craft mat and I can easily clean up. And then I've got my pencils here in my nice Hogwarts case, and I'm going to be using both sets of watercolour pencils, number 1 and number 2. And I'll put you on fast forward while I do all of this, but I'll just zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put my colour down with my pencils, and then I'll blend it with my aqua painter, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've watercoloured it all in and it's dried, and then I've cut it out with the rectangle stitch dies, and I've used the third largest die, as you can see, out of the set. So as you can see, I still on my magnetic sheet. So that's our little image. Okay, I have cut him smaller than I did before because I decided I wanted a little bit more of a border than I had before. So first thing I'm going to do is stick this to my piece of Night of Navy. I'm going to be a bit generous with the snail because it is shimmery white, and then we're just going to centre it as best we can in the middle there, and then we're going to put some more snail on the back, and then we are just going to line these two up as best as we can, stick it to our base, and there we go. Now on my original I did add some rhinestones, but I actually think I like it without the rhinestones. If you want to add the rhinestones, these are the ones I used, are the holiday rhinestones, and they come in all of these colours. But let me know, which do you like? This one or that one? So the one I made before or the one I made with you now? Let me know in the comments below which do you like better. So I hope you enjoyed the project, and thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information, supply list, etc. about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!